again, in your opinion, what specific traits does it take to be a successful laundromat owner these days?
I think the ability to really promote yourself, because I see that missing in a lot, not just laundromats, but just in
Yeah.
businesses in general.
Hmm.
We held a networking function where we're part of the Chamber of Commerce, at our store.
Hmm.
And I went around to all the stores, in my center. And, just to introduce myself, just to invite them. They know the laundromat's there. I don't have to really explain that, but I'm amazed at how many small businesses they never leave that little box that they're in. I met one gentleman who owned a UPS store, and I said, "Oh yeah, we're by the alternate ending. It's a restaurant. It's a good landmark." And he goes, "I don't know where that is." And I go, "Well, if you just go out to the light and make a left, it's like I don't know half a mile." He goes, "Oh, I never go that way." And my mind was just blown. It's like you're a UPS store. You deal with small businesses. There are literally 100 small businesses on that street between that light and 2 miles where the supermarket is. How do you not? You don't even know what is out there. You don't know what exists. So I think one of the big things that I try to tell any small business, and I do for myself, is get out there. I try to do as much as I possibly can to be visible to
Hmm.
people.
Hmm. Hmm. Very good.